All right, let's get right into this.
Okay, rising here.
I don't know how Kubrick mixed this. You get the big leagues right now. We're talking Bunsen burners and, well,
Fire.
you get everything.
Okay.
All right. So take a look at what happens.
Yes.
Most people think of steam as what we see right here. Can
Sure.
you kind of
Yeah,
see it kind of
come on.
coming off right here?
Right
and
there.
if you can't see it very well, kind of against the black,
There you
can
go.
kind of see.
Yeah.
There it is. So there's our steam that's there. Steam is really just by definition vaporized water.
Yeah,
so
think
water,
of like a vaporizer in the room.
you got it. You got it. But steam, you put your hand in steam, it doesn't necessarily catch on fire. So that's where the next part comes in.
Okay.
So notice that we have this little part here where
Bubbling.
it's bubbling. So we have these this water vapor here. It's coming up through a coil of wire of copper tubing.
Yeah.
And
What's
now-
going on there? How does that help?
Well, we're going to superheat this, all right?
Oh, boy.
So, this
Oh,
is good, all
boy.
right? So this is yours.
Look out.
All right, hang on. You're
Okay,
good. All
okay.
right, so now watch this. You go underneath kind of like this.
Yeah.
All right, and I'm going to come up on top. You're good.
Okay.
Life's good.
Just
All right,
hold it right there.
Yeah. All right, so
You're
you
making
and I,
me nervous,
No,
Steve.
don't worry about it. You and I are now superheating it. Notice what's at the very end. You're not seeing any of that water vapor come
No, it
out
stopped.
anymore, are you? Right?
I've been so focused on
You see,
the bottom
you're
right here,
okay.
holding still.
All right, so we are superheating this, which means that steam has the potential to take a tremendous amount of energy. So if you take a look at this right now, you can see it doesn't look like there's a lot of water vapor coming out. And
No.
in fact, we're getting it up to about 200 degrees Celsius. That's 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So kind of watch what happens. I'm going to hold this one here for you so you can let go of this.
Okay.
I'll hang on to it.
Got that?
And now here's what I want you to do. Why don't you get one of those matches and the
Yeah.
tongs, all right? So get a match. By definition, the superheated steam is colorless and it's invisible. Just get the match right at the very top there and take a
there?
look at what happens. Let's see if it's getting hot enough. Watch what happens when we get...
Hey-o!
Did you look at that?
you see that right there?
That's steam. Isn't that just amazing?
Yeah.
So as we get close to it there, about 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and all we have to do is get close.
Smoke
and
alarm's
starts
not-
to catch it.
won't go off, will it?
No. They know it's Monday, right?
Yeah, they know
take a
you're
look at
here.
the piece of
Okay,
paper.
all right.
You can actually take the piece of paper and put it right in there, kind of like, yeah. Let's see if they can see on the camera what happens to that piece of paper. You can start to, oh, there it
Can you
is.
see it?
See that? It starts to brown. So firefighters have to be especially cautious of a real steam leak because steam is insidious. It's invisible. It's colorless. It has so much energy inside. And so that's kind of why they use steam for steam turbines and so forth. You can trap a tremendous amount of energy. Now, if we stop superheating it, then all of a sudden you've got a situation where you can kind of see it again. So we get this water condensation. This is kind of a 9 News only demo. This isn't somebody's going to rig up at home.
Sure.
Just try
I
it
hope
home.
not.
But well, I don't know. We have gadgeteers that are out there. But I think it's absolutely amazing that when we think of steam, we can take a look at something like that.
Oh, that's a
is
good one.
truly that powerful to be able to start a
That's
fire.
a lot of energy. And the
just
bubbling's
amazing.
still the same as it was
Absolutely.
when we started.
Temperature down here about 100 degrees Celsius, but because we superheated it out there, it's about 200 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, catch on fire. Absolutely amazing.